Data sources we are getting from technical question banks, from lead question questions and everything, and domain specific job descriptions. Constant latency, real time AI processing depends on internet speed. Hardware requires can have a functional webcam and validation accuracy also. Data collection, and first we collect the data from the data collection and pre-process the data. We need to make the audio inputs to remove background noise and normalize the video frames and AI model development. We are fine tuning the LLM's prompts to behave like a professional developer. Like if it initially it is like someone which has a common sense, so it will give a random advices or random text. So we need to fine tune the LLMs. Web app development, we need to develop a user interface for this human exhaust our platform integration by using the computation program face selection case tracking for eyeball movement tracking, like whether they are looking in the screen or looking away from the screen. And we also having the object detection, like if they are having the cellular in their hand or books in their hand. Also, interview model includes speech to text transcription for real-time speech to text, contextual question generation by using the RAG, and answer relevant scoring. Dashboard modules include aggregating violating logs. This is our architecture diagram. First of all, the user, and from the user it goes to the client layer. The client layer contains has the candidate interface, media streamer, and WebSocket client, which by using the WebSocket, the audio signals are go to the gateway layer. In the gateway layer, we have the API gateways like API endpoints, and from that we have a core application like Authenticate and Orchestra for small works. And from the WebSockets it goes to the speech services, like we have the Yum and LLM agent we using the Grok and proctoring modding OpenCV. And from that the RAG for RAG it's stored in the vector database which we are using ChromaDB, and for data we are using MongoDB. This is our use case diagram. We have a candidate and recruiter and AI system. From Fortune as the register login. First of all, the candidate has to log in and start interview. And these are some use case diagrams of our app. This is a class diagram, how it works. This is the sequence diagram. Algorithm software, we are using RAG for uh, uh, secondary knowledge, the external knowledge to our LLMs, and vector embeddings, Hume AI for Hume. We actually for our LLM we are using Hume AI for speech services, and like human like speech services, real time sentiment analysis, and code execution engine. This is our code sample code. This is our sample output. These are test cases what we have done. These are the results we had in the 94 relevance in AI generic questions. 91% scoring consistently according to neural behavior assessments. 89% correct detection of candidate tone and clarity. Conclusion. The 42 platform successfully integrates AI-driven assessment, real-time interviewing, and automated skill evaluation into a unified system. The solution reduces manual screening effort, improves candidate evaluation accuracy, and delivers consistent, unbiased interview experiences with its adaptive analysis engine, interactive interview room, and gamified progress tracking. Fortran offers a scalable and efficient approach for modern document and skill development. We also have the future work to learn. These are the references what we have. That's all.
How do you handle debugging complex issues in your full stack projects, and what tools do you rely on for that process?